Crazy the jobs you can get on Craigslist, guys. I'm telling you. Put an ad out there and all of a sudden it's like Brooks Wackerman called me. I was like, why are you calling me?
From
dude?
Craigslist?
Yeah, that's how I got the job.
This is a DW Acrylic Red Jolly Rancher edition.
That's how low he plays that?
So everything's very close, as you could tell. Avenged has some really fast tempos. And we have a gong, too. My balls have dropped, if you will.
All right, so we're back at East West. We're gonna set up Brooks' drum kit. We've got Eric here. What's up, Eric?
What's up, guys?
We're gonna build the Avenged Sevenfold rig, the red acrylic kit, and Eric, take it away, man.
How much time you guys got?
Has this kit ever been in a studio, or this is only like Rock and Rio and
This
like all the live stuff?
This has not touched the studio yet. This one hasn't left cases besides on the road. But the whole idea was the acrylic because we had a plexiglass riser.
Yeah.
And so what we wanted was for the lights to shoot underneath the drum set and to kind of accentuate him, almost like the drums weren't there and like the lights would play on it.
So how long have you been with Brooks?
It's almost 3 years now. We started talking after I met with him at his studio. And he goes, would you ever leave the studio, come on the road? Like, Brooks Wackerman?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. It's funny, I met Josh Freese first, doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Working at his studio. And he got me to do like Danny Elfman gigs with him teching.
Oh, nice.
So like, all right, I'll do one-offs. And then Brooks like, would you come on the road for like years?
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah. This was after the last show, I think, in Peru.
Cool with the silver hoops on there too.
Yeah.
That's rad.
Yeah, we all did like everything custom to DW.
Do you find that acrylic like cracks at all, like on the road, or?
It's scary, man.
Okay.
It starts cracking mid-show. Not like it's just not gonna split apart.
Yeah.
Like the shell just splits.
So
and all of a sudden, no kick drum.
Yeah. So what are we working with for kick sizes?
22 16s,
Okay.
toms 10, 12, 13. They're all 9-inch deep,
Oh, weird.
which is fun for tuning.
Yeah.
So we did 15 by 15 and 16 by 16. We've kept those sizes since I've started. I go back and forth. Octobon, like everyone calls these things different. I call them Octobons.
Yeah.
6-inch.
I think they're the Rata toms for D-Dub or something.
Rata Tom. The 6-inch and 8-inch, 16 and 23.
You don't see the 8 very often. I mean,
No.
everyone just makes the 6.
It's custom.
That's
Everything is like DW's like, ooh.
like, can we do that?
The kicks always get set first because the kicks are the foundation, and on his plexi riser we have holes drilled to keep the kicks. He had to sign off on it being exactly where it's at before we could drill.
Yeah.
But how do you keep the kicks from sliding when he's testing it on plexi? There's a whole process. So like once he signed off on it, we had to make the holes, drills, and that's how I build the entire kit.
Yeah, I guess you never think about like a plexi riser.
Oh, the problems? Yeah.
It's gotta be such a pain.
It adds problems, that's for sure. And I'm using Windex, but it's ammonia free, so no one yell at me, okay?
Okay.
Everyone goes, Windex!
All the drum techs in the comments.
Windex! And this is like the process for every show. This isn't like just because we're here. This is, we pull it apart, put it together. Kick drums are every 3 shows. Toms are every other show. Snares every show.
So how long does this usually take you on an average load-in?
Full head day like this, it's gonna be a couple hours. I saw them when I was very young in Anaheim, California. So I understood that when people come up to me and say how much they influenced them, I said, yeah, I get it. It's funny, in my A-rig, I have Jimmy's stick that I got from a Long Beach show, the original drummer. And I brought that with me on every tour, pretty much on my A-rig.
Wow. Has he used the rack on every kit that you've teched for? Or did he start on stands?
No, he had stands.
Okay.
When he switched to the rack system, yeah, that was wild. But it's cool because you work with other drummers and there's a system. For him, I had to create a new system for all the new gear. And once it's done, it's like, okay, cool, I learned something new. And I'm sure there's gonna be someone after this video goes on that like, hey, I do it this way. I'm like, oh, that's smart. I'm gonna start doing that.
So does he have the 3rd tom off the rack then?
Exactly.
Okay.
See, again, like, how do we get that to work here and how do you get it to float?
Yeah.
It's funny too, like, on this kit, like we had to start sawing things off. Yeah, we started like having to cut pieces of hardware down and stuff like that to make it like just work. Like this, I just completely sawed off.
Oh, nice.
Because we had to get like a mic in there or something.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of custom, like, call it custom. I'm just chopping shit off.
Yeah. I mean, it looks pretty sick with all the toms the same depth.
Right, there is.
Looks awesome.
That's why we did it. Yeah. It looks cool.
It's for the tonal characteristics, right?
Yeah.
Those shells clean up pretty nice.
Yeah,
Just
I mean,
the paintbrush.
the last year and a half, 2 years, they just slightly get worn, and then I have to do like You go over the acrylics every now and then. It gets rid of anything like that.
Do you think he has these on the kit because of like a Stuart Copeland or someone else?
I mean, there's fills in the original Avenged records that had like Octobahn, Rotobahns, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
And so he uses it for a few of the songs.
Is that out of Unholy Confessions? He does the solo, or?
Every night now, yeah. And this is the prototype Mega Bell ride, which is really insane.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, and it's like 2023 is when they built it for him, but we got it ordered for him, and he needed something for Held to the King.
Yeah.
He does the dual ride intro. Again, DW, dude, who makes like this crazy stand like this that can just latch in and hold. How heavy is that cymbal? It's like gotta be 20 pounds or something.
This thing looks huge.
No, okay, that's dramatic. Yeah, it's heavy, right?
Yeah, it's huge.
Yeah, but that's what, I mean, we did that to have that for that intro of that song.
Dude, that's how low he plays that?
Dude.
Because you watch like, Jimmy would play like up here.
Dude, that's, yeah, dude, and so like he slips in here, and again, you're trying to understand like the complexity of how he's playing this kit with how everything is tight. And look at this, to get back here, he's having to do this, and everything is within.
Wow.
So close, dude. A lot of cymbals here to cover, guys. We're gonna go with the big one first. This is a 22-inch Exist prototype ride, all Istanbul. We have then a 19 dry dark brilliant crash, hammered. We recently switched to the 15-inch traditional jazz hats, and then we went with the 21-inch, same as this over here, just 2 inches bigger. And we have a stack, it's a splash, and then the Turk China below. We have a 19-inch brilliant crash, Exist as well. 22-inch power ride, Exist. We have another auxiliary hi-hats here, and these are gonna be 17s, dry dark again. Then we have another Exist, this is gonna be the Ion China, this is a 20-inch. And then we have an 18-inch Exist brilliant crash. So kicks, we have two 22x16s. We have we'll start with toms. We have a 10x9, 12x9, 13x9, 15x15, 16x16, 6-inch, 8-inch, long. We'll go with long for now. And then a custom YC snare. Crazy the jobs you can get on Craigslist, guys. I'm telling you. Put an ad out there and all of a sudden it's like Brooks Wackerman called me. I was like, why are you calling me?
From
dude?
Craigslist?
Yeah, that's how I got the job. You didn't know that, dude?
All right, the kit's built. We got the drums, the cymbals, the gong is gonna be up soon, and Brooks is coming in tomorrow morning, so we'll see what he thinks when he gets here.
Okay, well, this is a DW Acrylic Red Jolly Rancher edition. It's my moniker for it. It was made about a year ago. I want to say it's my favorite kit thus far. A lot of punch, and it just sits differently in the mix than wood. And aesthetically, it looks awesome too. We have a plexi riser on the Avenged tour. I have lights shooting up from underneath, so to see the lights go through the shells as acrylics is pretty exciting and cool, even if you're in the nosebleeds. I played wood shells all my life up until this run, and I just wanted something different. DW delivered. So everything's very close, as you could tell. Avenged has some really fast tempos. So I just like not going there or there with my arms and just having everything very close and intimate. I remember watching a Vinnie Caliuta interview, and his kit was kind of similar in the sense that I'm probably gonna butcher the analogy, but it's almost like he's at a card game and just like shuffling cards and everything's, very close by. The drummers could look that up and make fun of me because I probably butchered that story. I'm very much into economy of motion. Before I got back into the double bass world, everything was pretty spread out when I used to have a 5-piece or a 4-piece. So now everything's just, I don't know, ergonomically comfortable for me.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Well, can't wait to hear this kit, and props to Eric for
crushing
it. Not an easy rig to build.
My mighty drum tech, Eric Fuller, makes all of this happen. And we have a gong too, so my balls have dropped, if you will.